and our shared dreams as Iliganos. We are gathered here not only to look back at how far we've come, but also to look forward to the kind of city we want to become. From a humble town surrounded by rivers and mountains, Iligan has grown into a thriving, diverse and dynamic city. Dili lalim ang atong giagian, but every challenge we overcame has shaped us into a stronger, prouder, and more united Iligan. Our theme, 75 katuig sa pag-asenso o panaghiusa sa kulturang kabilin, reminds us that true progress is not only measured by buildings, roads, or numbers, but by how we preserve our culture and heritage, how we uplift one another, and how we move forward as one. This year, we are making history. For the first time, we held Pasidugog last night, a public recognition of the people who have quietly, faithfully, and humbly served our city over the years. These are not always the people you see in the spotlight. Dili din nato makita kasagaran. Pero sila ang mga haligi sa serbisyong publiko. They are the teachers, the government workers, the community leaders, and others who dedicated their lives to Iligan. Karong adlaw atong ilan dakong tabang. This is our simple way of saying thank you. Salamat. You matter. You are part of Iligan's success. Also today, we open again, karong adlaw atong i-open ang isa ka powerful exhibit, Hulagway, the socio-political history of Iligan in photos. These images capture more than just faces and places. They hold our collective memory, from joyful celebrations to moments of hardship and rebuilding. This photograph shows us what Iligan has endured and achieved. Kini ang mga hulagway, and they are stories na nagsulti kung kinsa ta ug asa ta padulong. It is through remembering our past that we find our direction for the future. And speaking of the future, another significant moment today is the signing of the Memorandum of Agreement between LGU Iligan and MSU IIT for the research and writing of our very first official history book. This is a landmark initiative. For too long, our history was only passed on through stories. But now, we will have a written, well-researched, and lasting record that will educate, inspire, and guide future generations of Iliganos. This is not just a book, this is a gift to or for tomorrow. As we celebrate this Diamond Jubilee, let us ask ourselves, what kind of Iligan do we want to leave behind? Let us build a city that empowers the young, honors the old, and leaves no one behind. A city that is safe, smart, inclusive, and deeply proud of its roots. A city where dreams can grow, whether we are from Palao or from Suarez, ikan sa Inaplanon, or ikan sa Tomas Cavili, ikan sa Lipuga, padulong sa Buroon, apil na ang mga barangay sa Kabukiran. This is our home, this is our future. To all who made this day possible, our organizing committees, city officials, our guest of honor, Senator Bongo, kani hatag yung oras para magbisita sa Iligan. Salamat kayo, Senator. Salamat din kayo. Ikan sa ato kasing-kasing sa mga Iliganos. Dako ang pasalamat and we are proud of you. To future Senator Philip Salvador, salamat also for coming. Salamat sa pagbisita. Iyan yung i-mention na ganiya, ang iyang asawa, taga Lanao del Norte. O nang ingong paniya, ganiya, siya ang nagtudlo kang Senator Bongo sa pagbinisaya. Abot-abot o ako dili. But anyway, to everyone, ang atong mga officials, atong mga cultural workers, performers, atong mga singers, historians, and every single Iliganon who continues to believe in our city, daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. Your dedication is what keeps Iligan alive and thriving. To my fellow Iliganons, whether you are here with us today, nabas abroad or any other parts of the country, know that this celebration is for all of you. You are Iligan, we are Iligan, and our story continues. Happy 75th Adlaw sa Iligan. Padayon ta! Pag tinabangay ta! Pagmanahutayon ta! Pagmanambuon ta! Padayon! Asenso! Iligan!
Amazing.